Welcome to How to Use the Blissful Life Planner, a weekly planner designed to support getting in the flow, feeling better, and sustainable change. I created this tool after a concussion, but it can be helpful to anyone who wants to do more of what they want. In this video, I'll walk you through the planner, one section at a time. Feel free to pause or rewind the video at any time, especially if you'd like to fill out the planner as we move along. The first section of the planner offers space for things you'd like to remember. It's designed for ideas that don't need immediate action, but feel worth holding on to. Placing them here allows them to rest on the page instead of in your mind, creating more space for presence and focus. This section supports staying engaged with the moment while trusting that what matters is safely captured. From here, the next section, called Daily Activity, focuses on weekly flow, where recurring activities begin to take shape and evolve over time. It's designed to hold things that tend to repeat from day to day, such as exercise, nourishment, or other supportive practices. This section is also an opportunity to experiment with something new, and you can adjust from week to week as you notice what feels right. Tracking completion here helps create awareness for future decisions. These are just examples on the sheet. Your daily activity may look completely different depending on what's important to you. The following section, Things to Let Go for Now, is one of the most powerful parts of the planner. This is where you reframe things that are clouding your mind or that are outside your immediate control. By placing them here, your mind is free to focus on other things, allowing your priorities to take center stage. Items in this section are written as statements about what you want the outcome to be. For example, if you are having money worries, you might write, "My income and well-being are aligned." The top priorities section invites a small number of weekly priorities, creating an opportunity for clarity and focus. Naming what matters most helps create space for it while allowing other tasks to fall into place. Priorities can shift from week to week depending on what feels most important and supportive. The Days of the Week section offers space to note daily tasks and activities as the week unfolds. It's designed to hold appointments, focused actions, and smaller steps connected to weekly priorities. This section can also be used to pull in items from other areas of the planner, such as daily activity or things to remember. You're welcome to move through this planner in whatever way feels most supportive and at your own pace. Some people find it helpful to choose a regular time during the week to fill it out, such as a quiet moment in the evening. Writing in pencil can make it easier to shift and update things as the week unfolds. You can begin with any section and return to this video at any time. I hope this planner offers support as you move through your week.